Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 30th August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, instill this knowledge into your intellects and hold classes among yourselves. Benefit yourselves and others and continue to earn a true income. Question: what arrogance should you children never have? Answer: some children become arrogant and say, what can these little Kumaris teach us? When their senior sister has to go away somewhere, some sulk and stop coming to class. This is an obstacle from Maya. Baba says, children, don't look at the name and form of the teacher who is reading the Murli. Listen to the Murli in remembrance of the Father. Don't become arrogant. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Pay attention while listening to the Murli that your intellect's yoga does not wander anywhere else. Remain constantly aware that you are listening to Shiv Baba's elevated versions. This too is the pilgrimage of remembrance. Number 2. Examine yourself to see that you have this knowledge, yoga and divine virtues within you. I don't have the evil spirit of greed, do I? Do I perform any sinful acts due to the influence of Maya? Blessing for today. May you be constantly unshakable and immovable, and finish all your upheaval by having the awareness of being an instrument. Details are: when you are aware of being an instrument, you easily finish all the many types of I and mine. This awareness liberates you from all types of upheaval and enable you to experience the unshakable and immovable stage. You don't even have to work hard to do service, because the intellects of those who become instruments are constantly aware that whatever they do, others who see them will do the same. To be an instrument for service means to go onto a stage. Everyone's vision is automatically drawn to the stage. This awareness becomes a means for your safety. Slogan: become free from all situations and you will experience the support of God, the Father. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. At present, wandering souls need peace and spiritual love. Everywhere, it is love and peace that are missing. This is why, in whatever programs you do, first of all praise the love in the relationship of the Father. Then, after forging a relationship of souls with the Father with that love, give them the experience of peace. Let there be a balance of being an embodiment of love and an embodiment of peace.